how to make DanTDM in Infinite Craft. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can make a DanTDM in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are wanting to create DanTDM in Infinite Craft, you just have to follow the steps. As you can see on the right hand side, I've written down the formula. It is about 47 steps. So just watch carefully. First, we have default for elements water, fire, wind, and earth. So we'll combine all this to create multiple elements. So first, we're going to add earth and water, which will form a plant. Plant plus wind is going to form a dandelion. We're going to combine earth to earth, which will form a mountain. Then we're going to add earth to dandelion, which is going to form a flower. We're going to add earth and fire together, which is going to form lava. We're going to add plant and earth together to form a tree. Now we're going to add flower and mountain together to create a rose. Then we're going to add water to lava to create a stone. Now once we've created stone, we're going to add the rose as well as the tree together to form a cherry. We're going to add cherry and stone to form a marble. We're going to add water and wind to basically form wave. Then we're going to add fire as well as water to form a steam. We're going to add earth to wave like this to form a sand. Then we're going to add fire and steam together like this, which is going to form an engine. Then we're going to add earth as well as wind together, this time to form dust. Then we're going to add engine to sand to create a sandbox. We're going to add dust and earth together, so which will give us a planet. Then once we form the planet, we're going to add planet and sandbox to form Minecraft. We're going to add wind as well as dust together, this time to create a sandstorm. Sandstorm plus water is going to create an oasis. From oasis, we're going to add water to it to create a mirage. Then from mirage, once we've created mirage, we're going to add mirage plus smoke together. Now we just have to go ahead and then search for the smoke over here. So once you have formed the dust, add a desert plus smoke to create a mirage. Mirage and smoke to create an illusion. Fire plus planet to create a sun. Sun plus fire to create a solar. Solar plus planet to create a system. System plus fire to create a computer. Computer plus system to create a software. Software and earth to create a game. Game and computer to create a gamer. Gamer and illusion to create a virtual reality. Steam and fire to create an engine. Engine and steam to make a train. Engine plus engine to create a rocket. Rocket plus rocket to create a satellite. Rocket plus train equals bullet train. Bullet train plus satellite equals internet. Steam and stone equals geyser. Geyser plus internet equals YouTube. YouTube plus virtuality. Virtual reality equals VR chat. VR chat plus YouTube equals VTuber. Engine plus wind equals windmill. Windmill plus wind equals electricity. Electricity plus VTuber equals virtual YouTuber. And Minecraft plus virtual YouTuber equals Minecraft YouTuber. And marble plus Minecraft YouTuber equals DanTDM. And this way you can finally create a DanTDM. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.